This is Marco, and in this video I'm going to talk about why I love YNAB. Now basically there are some reasons that I love YNAB in my personal opinion that I wrote. So it's a proactive budgeting approach. So unlike traditional budgeting tools, YNAB encourages users to give back like every dollar. You allocate your income to specific categories based on your priorities, which helps you feel more in control of your money. Second is that you focus on your future financial goals. So YNAB's method pushes users to think beyond their immediate expenses and plan for future goals. So then you have things like immediate expenses and plans for future goals, such as saving for a house, emergency fund, vacations, or retirement. For like this is a long-term planning fosters like a healthy financial mindset. We have a real-time tracking, so it allows for real-time tracking of spending, helping you stay aware of where you are with your money is going. Like with mobile apps and syncing feature, it's easy to track expenses on the go, ensuring your budget stays up to date. Then you have debt reduction, like many people love to use it because it helps them get out of debt. By seeing exactly where every dollar is going, users can allocate more towards paying off debts, which provides a sense of accomplishment and financial freedom. Then we have zero-based budgeting. So YNAB uses a zero-based budgeting system, meaning you budget every dollar you have, so no money is left accounted for. This helps preventing overspending and encourages a more intentional approach to money management. Then we have flexibility and adaptability. Since life is unpredictable, YNAB flexibility allows you to roll with the punches. If you overspend in one category, you can move funds from another to cover it without disturbing your entire budget. And then you have financial awareness. So YNAB increase your financial awareness. Then you have goal-oriented savings, community support, empowerment through control, reduce financial anxiety, and educational resources. So these are just some of the reasons why I love to use YNAB. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.